Hello everyone, welcome to having fun on the Linux terminal. Hello everyone, welcome to having fun on the Linux terminal. Hello everyone, welcome to having fun on the Linux terminal.
Hi there. Did you know that you can have lots and lots of fun using the Linux terminal? Do you also think that the Linux terminal is all work and no fun? Well, we promise you, stick around till the end of this video and you shall have some interesting, really ridiculous, funny Linux commands that will prove you wrong and get you started to having lots and lots of fun on your terminal. You will also be surprised to know there are tons and tons of terminal-based games that you can play. In fact, you can use the ASCII game option to view an entire movie of the Star Wars, the popular Star Wars, by simply, whilst on this black looking, seriously looking terminal, you can telnet to a server and you can view that video for free, and in the process you would have fun. So in this video I'm going to explore some really interesting Linux fun commands that we can install and immediately we can begin to have fun. So quickly, let's get started. For those of us using Ubuntu based distributions of Linux, for example like your Kali Linux, I'm using Kali Linux right now. I'm using Kali Linux, your Parrot OS, Ubuntu flavors, or Debian. So you will need to install this using the apt or the terminal application manager that comes with your distribution. If you're using Red Hat like Arch, Fedora, OpenSUSE, SUSE, Solus, you may need to consult with the packaging manager that comes with your distribution in order to install these funny Linux commands and begin to immediately have fun. Now, if you're also using the Mac OS, you may want to use the packaging manager with the bash, which is brew, but you also will need to install this on the terminal. Do not forget, we want to be able to have fun on this terminal, and we're quickly going to dive into having fun. But before we have fun, we need to take a train to the fun venue, to our lab. So to do this, we are going to install the first one. But please do not forget to type sudo apt and update your packages. Quickly, when this is done, you now begin to start the installation. Now it says that is done. Packages have been about 1,020 something have been upgraded, and so let's get started. So the first one is to catch a train. To do this, we simply type sudo apt install SL. This SL stands for steam locomotive, the train. Let's install that. It says it's already been installed. For the sake of time and also to contain the length of this video, I've already installed this, but for you it's going to take a few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes depending on your internet connection. So I've already the 5.0 version, which is the newest version. So let's get started. Let's have fun. Now we are at the venue. We want to take a train to the venue. I simply type SL. Can you see the train moves across the terminal. This is fun. Even your kids would get interested in starting to want to learn computing, and this is very fun too. Let's try it again. It's going faster, faster train. All right, let's see. There are all the parameters that you can add to make it even more fun. You're going to have to add some parameters, for example, like this, and this parameter and others. It will allow this locomotive to fly off from your terminal window. Let's see how it goes. You see, it's going to increase the height. And that's that. Let's see what we can do again. Let's clear up the screen. We're going to add some metrics effects to our Linux terminal. As you can remember that little sci-fi movie made popular by Keanu Reeves and his crew, The Matrix. So we're going to see green text falling down our terminal. To do this, we simply do what? App install C matrix. When this is done, we simply type C matrix on our terminal. Then we'll begin to see what? The matrix digital rain falling on our terminal. So let's see matrix. Let's see C matrix. Let's clear up this a bit. C matrix. Can you see? You can see the digital rain of text on your Linux box as well. You just need to install C matrix. Do not forget, you can stop this with the Control C. Let's go over what we have now. We have two fun commands. The first one is SL. Let's add the -F. This is the locomotive going across your terminal. The second one is the C matrix. Text raining from top to bottom of your screen. Isn't this wonderful? Now let's Control C to stop this. Let's have some fire. It's getting a bit cold. It's winter in some parts of the world. So let there be fire. Let's have some fire. The next one is to install the Kaka util. Now install Kaka Fire. There are others. There's the lib a bin. The other fire commands that we can use, but I've used this and it's quite simple. Kaka utils. This will install. Yes, say yes. Of course, you know why we use sudo. It's to grant you administrative or root privileges to be able to install. Linux does not allow you to install as an ordinary user. So the sudo is like a nice way of saying, please, can I please install? Alright, when this is done, we simply type Kaka Fire and you will see. Let's see, Kaka. There is, let's see this. Kaka Fire, for example. Alright, let's install others first, then we come back. Let's see this. You see Kaka Fire. Kaka Fire. Alright, let's give it a few seconds. It will be ready. Let's just install all of this. Also, we can install Cowsay. So this is another fun one, Cowsay. Here we can install Cowsay and we're ready to go. Cowsay, let's just do all the installations. Then we come back to have some lots of fun. Let's do that. Cowsay. Yeah, Cowsay is ready. We can also install Oneko with your pet lover. You see a little rabbit-like animal run off your screen. We do that quickly in a few seconds. We can also install like the little brother eye watching you. You know, we can install that also. But for now, let's go back to the few ones we've installed. Let's begin to have fun so we don't lose that fun part of it. Now, let's do this. We've seen SL, which is this tutu train. Let's see the Kaka Fire. Let's sudo Kaka Fire depending on where it's installed. Now Kaka Fire brings up this. Can you see that now? Can you see the fire? It's right on the screen. All of this is happening on your terminal. You see Kaka fire on your terminal. This is beautiful. Can you see that? All you need to type is Kaka fire. To stop this, Control C. It goes off. We have seen SL. We've seen also Kaka fire. Now let's see the cow say. Let's clear this. Cow say. Let's say cow say you. Cow say you. The cow says you. If you don't like cow, you can also type this. Cow say I love this fun commands. End of quote. The cow, excuse me, the quote is not complete. It was a double quote. The cow repeats whatever it is. It's like echo. You say cow say, and the diagram of the cow appears on your terminal. We can also list all kinds of, there are other animals if you don't like the cow. There are other, for example, we can say simply by just saying, adding the parameter f, we can tweak and change the animal. For example, if you have dragons, you see we have Ghostbusters. We can try that for now. We have dragon and cow. We have dragon. Let's start with the dragon. Let's, instead of the cow, let's call up this. Instead of the cow saying, I love this fun command, we can add these parameters to just change this. We can say dash f, what animal do we want? For example, let's say dragon. The dragon replaces that. Can you see? The dragon replaces that. Let's bring up the screen one more time. The dragon replaces the cow. If you're not a fan of dragons, we might want to use something else. We can use bunny if you want. Let's try the bunny and say, let's clear up this and bring it up and say bunny. Instead of dragon, we can just take this out. We say bunny, autocomplete, and you go, the bunny helps you. Okay, let's move away from the animals and code. Let's go and install some more, right? Let's go install some more. Let's install some more. Now, to install the next fun command, Oneko, you simply type Oneko, an animal will run from one end of the terminal to the other. This is all you need to do, Oneko. Can you see that this little animal running from one end of the terminal? You can see it's going to the other end to the right. It's moving, it's chasing the cursor. I place the cursor to the left, I place it to the right. This is so fun. I bet you your kids will love it. Now let's leave Oneko while you can Control C to stop Oneko. Move to the next one. We want to install what? The next one. If you're not a pet lover, like some of us, we might want to let your terminal speak. We install eSpeak. eSpeak, upon installation, voices out or speaks out whatever it is that you've typed. It's like echo. When you type echo on the command prompt, the terminal responds with a textual format. But when you, let's see what eSpeak does. eSpeak simply, you give it some kind of, say, hello, for example. Make sure you turn on your speaker to do this. Turn on the computer speaker to be able to do this.
Hello.
Can you hear that? The computer speaks back to you through your terminal. You can say hello. Let's make it even more fun. How are you?
Hello, how are you?
Can you see that? Are you having fun? Let's have some more. Let's have the computer speak.
Hello, how are you having fun?
Thank you. Of course we're having fun. Now don't forget, you install that and it what? Returns. Make sure your speaker is turned on. Let's go to one more before we leave this and round up. Now quickly, we go to, there's one called, let's install this. It's called the Lowercut. Let's install this Lowercut. What this command does, it beautifies the text. It gives it colors. So for example, if you type anything, it beautifies that color. Let's say calendar. You know the usual command, calendar. Today's calendar, this month's calendar, you can say, let's clear the screen a bit. Carl, 2021, for example. This is a calendar. It comes plain, depending on the theme you've selected. It comes as green or black, whatever. But if you say Carl 2021, type it, let's Lowercut, let it do the work. It will beautify. Can you see how beautiful the calendar looks like? Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us see all that we have seen so far. All of this, let us recap and split this, guys. Let's split it one more. Let us split this terminal. Let's resize that, make it fun even. All right. Now we're going to go through. We saw the tutu train. Remember, we saw tutu train. Let's see how we can readjust this now. Let's type the tutu train. Let's clear all of this, make them okay. What is that command? SL for the tutu train. The train goes. We can type in kaka fire here. Kaka fire, for example, you can even see the kaka clock pops up. You know, kaka clock. It's a beautiful one. You may want to use this while, you know, just have fun. See the time, what it says. We can also do kaka fire, which is the one that what? Yeah, good. Can you see kaka fire once again? We can also see, we can try this. We've seen the SL. We can also type whatever. What else? We've seen Lowercut. We can say calendar, then Lowercut. Lowercut. Do not forget. Once they are installed, it will be easy. We can set a calendar for 2020, 1990, for example, something different. You see, it beautifies it. We can see another one. We can see the cow say. Don't forget the cow say. You can also pipe or something. Say the command, for example, ifconfig. We can pipe it to this cow say. The cow will say whatever it is you want to say. You can pipe anything to that. Guys, we have come to the end of this video, and I believe you will be reminded to what? To subscribe to our channel. You'll be reminded to subscribe to our channel and click the like button, and also leave your comment on this video. We'll be sure to respond and get back to you. Thank you everyone for viewing.